The BMP41 printer is available in a hard casing that comes equipped with the following accessories. To open the printer cover, push or pull up on the finger tab. Push the locking lever to the left to unlock. Remove the empty cartridge. Holding the hinged fin, drop the new cartridge into the cartridge well and push gently. Slide the locking lever to the right to lock the cartridge. Close the cover by pushing down on it until it snaps into place. Press Label Type and select General. To change the size of the font, press Font Size. The text can be changed to uppercase or lowercase by pressing Function and then press Font. You can change it back with the same steps. Enter the text. Press Print Preview to see how the label would look like. Then press Print if you are satisfied with it. Push down the cutter lever to cut the label. Press Label Type and select Flag. Choose the desired layout and press Enter. If continuous media is installed, navigate to the flag length field and enter the length of the flag. Navigate to the cable diameter field and enter the diameter of the wire or cable to which the flag will be applied. Proceed to OK and press Enter. Enter the text. Check the print preview. If you are satisfied with it, press Print. Push down the cutter lever to cut the label. Press Label Type and select Terminal Block. Navigate to the Serialize option box and press Enter to select the option. If you do not intend to serialize terminal block, just leave it unchecked. Navigate to the Separator field and, from the drop-down list, select the separator to use. Navigate to the Orientation field and select from the drop-down list. Select the desired layout from the list. Navigate to the Terminal Repeat field and indicate the size of the gap between each terminal. Select OK and press Enter. Complete the serialization values and select OK and press Enter. The number of terminal blocks are created as areas on one label, with the serialization characters displayed in each area. Input more text if necessary. Press Print Preview before printing. Press Print and push down the cutter lever to cut the label and stick it onto the terminal block. Press Label Type and select Wire Marker. Choose the wire size and press Enter. Enter the text. As you enter data, the data is repeated down the label. The font size is set to auto, but can be changed as desired. Press the Print preview before printing. Press Print and push down the cutter lever to cut the label. And stick it to the wire. Press Label Type and select Breaker Box. The default length is 0.75 inches. To enter a different length, press Backspace to clear the default length in the breaker field and then enter the intended length. Navigate to the Separator field and select the separator to use from the list. Go to the Orientation field and select the desired layout from the list. Enter number of breakers in the Breakers field. On the Variable Pole Count box, press Enter to tick or untick the box for preference of pole count. Select OK and press Enter. If variable pole count To go to the next area, press Function and Area. Then enter the text. Press Preview to view the text. Press Print and push down the cutter lever to cut the label. And stick it to the breaker box.